Welcome to today's video. Get ready to witness heart-pounding, edge-of-your-seat moments where one small mistake can lead to disastrous consequences. Every decision, every move matters when it comes to protecting lives. Stay alert and stay safe. Bizarre accident, a shocking incident in Taizhou City, Zhejiang Province, China. The homeowner reported hearing a loud crash, only to discover an SUV stranded on his rooftop. The driver admitted losing control while swerving to avoid another vehicle. Luckily, no one was injured. Heart-stopping moment. A car lost control and crashed into the back of a semi-truck. The impact sent a dog flying out of the vehicle, running to the roadside. Hopefully, no injuries reported. Security camera captured a truck driver attempting to navigate Rua Artur Mendonça in Tatuapé, eastern Sao Paulo, but his vehicle got stuck on a parked car and was dragged along. The crash sent another car slamming into the vehicle ahead, causing chaos. The truck driver stepped out, assessed the damage, then walked away, leaving the devastation for the unlucky car owner. Crash on Atal Setu. According to an officer from Nhava Shiva police station, a red Maruti traveling from Navi Mumbai to Mumbai collided with a median, flipped over, and skidded before landing upright. Luckily, the female driver suffered only minor injuries, though the roof and windshield were badly damaged. Terrifying scene. A freight train in Texas plowed into a pickup truck stranded on the tracks just after it was rescued from a deadly car crash. This marks yet another horrific incident on U.S. railways. Close call. A truck driver in Ohio escaped seconds before a train demolished his cabin. Oh no. Security footage shows the crossing gate smashing into the cab roof, then lowering between the cabin and trailer. A breathtaking moment. The train slammed into the trailer, wrapping it around a telephone pole before crushing the body. Vinyl siding was torn off and wood flew everywhere as the structure collapsed. After the collision, the truck's cab lay along the tracks, with only splinters of wood left behind. Despite the chaos, no injuries were reported. Breathless moment. A drunk driver in Taiwan recklessly sped across the tracks just as a speeding train approached. CCTV footage captures the car smashing through the barriers, hitting the side of the train, then being flung away. Luckily, no one was injured. Brightline high-speed train slams into a stranded SUV on the tracks, with the entire incident caught on camera. Luckily, the driver escaped just in time before impact. Security footage shows an elderly Sec man walking onto the tracks, completely oblivious to the oncoming train. The impact threw him to the ground, sending his shoe flying. Miraculously, he was unharmed, stood up, and walked away as if nothing happened. A truck driver attempted to cross the tracks at a construction site, ignoring the oncoming train. The result? A direct collision with the train, derailing it on impact. Luckily, no one was injured. Stunning scene. A train plowed through floodwaters, creating a massive water spray that completely obscured visibility. Extremely dangerous. One wrong move could lead to disaster. Unusual accident in Beit Shemesh. A native express bus, without passengers and apparently without a parking brake, suddenly rolled out of control, crashing into a pedestrian in a parking lot. A truly terrifying moment. In Bergen op Zoom, a bus broke down suddenly, stopping right on the tracks. Just as a speeding train approached, the driver jumped out, but too late to stop the train. Flashing red lights and lowered barriers signaled an unavoidable disaster. The train couldn't brake in time, slamming into the bus with such force it split in half, sending debris flying everywhere. Horrific accident! A Polish registered truck carrying an unusually large load got stuck at an intersection. Tragically, a passenger train was approaching at full speed. The collision was inevitable. Damage estimated at 150,000 euros. Video footage captured the terrifying moment, leaving viewers stunned. Tragedy in Russia. A truck driver lost control after brake failure, crashing straight into a freight train. The devastating collision resulted in the driver's instant death. The train derailed, causing severe damage. High-stakes chase in Omro. Suspects in a shooting case were caught after a wild pursuit involving a U-Haul. As police discovered their escape route the chase was on, State Patrol successfully deployed a tire deflation device, causing the tires to shred rapidly. Dangerous situation. A girl on an electric scooter failed to slow down and didn't pay attention while making a right turn into a narrow alley. The result? She crashed straight into a moving car. The impact threw both her and the scooter off balance, creating a shocking moment for everyone involved. Could this be the most daring stunt of the franchise? Get ready for an unbelievable action sequence. unexpected twist. A truck behind a Myvi suddenly slowed down but couldn't stop in time, lost balance, and rolled off the road. Luckily, the accident didn't occur near a cliff, and the truck flipped 180 degrees, landing upside down. What a terrifying escape. Recklessly dangerous. A pickup truck ignored warning lights and lowered barriers, deliberately crossing the tracks. The result? A violent collision with a train. Luckily, no one was injured, but this is a costly lesson in negligence.
Woo! Fatal Fury! Out!
Johnny!
Finally, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on more thrilling content. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.